everyone and welcome back to my channel. First thing I'm going to say is apologies for this wet patch right here. I accidentally spilled something on the sofa, so I obviously had to clean it. Usually I would be sitting on the sofa, but I'm like noticing how wonky it actually is. Like my flooring is very like, and I can see it when I see certain things like this. So yeah, anyway, getting off topic, but the reason I'm sitting on the floor is because I feel like it's more steady for the things I'm about to do, which are TikTok. It is definitely not TikTok, it is TikTok beauty hack. I don't know about you, but I have recently become obsessed. Like I switch between YouTube and TikTok. Like I might be like spending an hour on YouTube, then an hour on TikTok. And some of the hacks seem pretty easy, but also life-changing, if that makes sense. So I thought I would test them out. Now the first one I have actually already tested, and it is the fake tan contour thing, where people are using fake tan to contour their face so it looks like they're naturally chiseled basically. So I did that obviously last night. I fake tanned my face. I'll put on a little clip. I used the Bondi Sands in the shade dark. Literally just used like a little buffing brush, and I don't know if I actually placed it in the right areas. I kind of done it in a free, did it on my forehead, obviously my cheekbones, and my jaw, kind of blended it in. Wasn't really sure how to blend it, but here we go, that's what I had done, and this is the end results. And I'll be honest, I think it's a bit of a fail. Like to me personally, when I look in the mirror, I kind of just look a bit dirty. It just doesn't look right. Something doesn't look right. It looks like I either haven't washed my makeup off properly, or it just doesn't look natural. Something just doesn't look right. So I will say that this first hack, unfortunately for me, was a fail. Let me know if I maybe done it wrong, but it just didn't work for me. So the next two hacks are actually to do with eyes. So I am actually going to quickly put on some very basic full face and then get back to you. So the next hack is to do with eyeliner. I don't know about you, but I can't do a wing eyeliner. However, I saw this one person and they used a, what are these called? Bobby pin? Hair clippy thing? And basically used this bit as the wing. So they'll like paint that with eyeliner, press it, like print it basically, and then colour in the rest. Now I haven't actually used eyeliner in a long time, like liquid eyeliner, so I have no idea if any of these are actually like still working, like unless if they're all dried up. I guess I just do it on one side, so I colour it in like this. Can't tell, it's black so I can't tell if it's coming out. Literally I'm just going to press it here. That might actually do with the fact that the eyeliner is dried out. Let me try a different one. I feel like I might have to be quick because I can imagine it probably dries quickly. God and prick. Why isn't it working for me? Here comes Sam. Told you.
Whoa, bitch. Get out the way. Use the toilet.
So we're going to have you pissing in the background.
Oh, you was in the video.
Yeah. Honestly, trying to find stuff in my drawers made me realise I need to organise my makeup. Okay, so I've got this very old gel eyeliner from Rimmel. And I've even got this Inglot Duraline because I'm going to make it even more liquefied because I don't know how dried out this is. And then it should work. If not, I'm giving up with the hack. But it worked so well for her. I don't understand what I am doing wrong. Okay, that was better, but I just don't think I would use it as a wing though. Look at that. I mean, I've got an outline now. Maybe I should do the other side to match it. But we have now got a line. So we have a guide, should I say, not a line. A guide. And you go and stamp and... Like that one, it's just honestly, see that's the problem I have, because it's got the little roundy bits, if you can see. I don't know if you can see. So now I've got the round bits on the line a bit. Let me just colour it in and then we'll see how it goes, like if it looks okay. They are clearly sisters and they are not twins. This is the outline of what they gave. I mean, this one had I'm not winking at you. This one had potential. Obviously this one just completely messed up a few times and I made it way too thick compared to that one. I feel like the hack has potential. It definitely does. It definitely made it easier because I was literally just colouring it in and then I just literally add a little line just to add a bit more of a flick. Maybe I got the wrong type of bobby pins. Do they all have their little circly bit? I don't know. Definitely I feel like either my liquid eyeliners are completely gone, but gel definitely worked better to get the print. I feel like I'm gonna give it half because I feel like it has potential. It's just, there's probably better techniques out there. Like, this one isn't horrendous. I will say it's half a win. Just for me, it just didn't work, but I mean, it halfly worked. Now, I have just been informed that I will not be able to get my lashes done until at least the 4th of July. Heartbreaking, because I cannot, for the life of me, do eyelashes. I don't know why. Maybe I'm cat-handed, but I can't figure it out. People make it look so easy. They're literally like, dun, and I'm just like, how, bitch? How? What witchcraft are you doing? I want in. So I saw this girl and she instead put the glue on her like eyelid, like painted it on as if it was like eyeliner. And then she said that the glue didn't have to dry and you can literally just plop it down. And I guess because the glue's already in the position of where you want it to be, it makes it easier. Whereas if you put the glue on to the lash, obviously if you don't put it on right, it's already stuck and then it's a bit more faffle. So I can see the potential of this. And honestly, if it works, then I will be buying so many lashes and doing it. Because at the moment, I only have these lashes that I'm pretty sure, they're called Golden Gatsby. But I'm pretty sure I got this in a glossy box. And they're literally the only lashes I own. Because like I said, I get them done because I can't do them. Now, she said to use a glue that has like a brush already. Like you would like an eyeliner like sort of thing. I don't have that. I've only got this Duo glue. Duo glue? It's probably way out of date, I'll be honest with you, but it's all I got. And I'm just going to paint it on with a brush that it's the only brush I could find, and I feel like it's going to be a bit too thick. These also have like old glue on it. That's disgusting. I should probably clean it. I've got to now paint on the glue and then she just plops it on. Okay, so we've got the glue. That's too much, but anyway. Could you see? I don't know if you can see it, by the way. So I'm literally going over the eyeliner, basically. Okay, so done that. And then I'm getting the is this the right one? Yeah. Tweezers, because I bet you don't know how to do it with her fingers. Just plopping it down. Why is it that inner corner just never goes right? Oh my god! I did it! I stuck it down and it doesn't look so bad. I mean, I got black eyeliner, so I can't see actually how far away it is from the lash. But that was so easy and it literally just stuck. I am really impressed. Oh my god. That was so easy. Then again, that's my easy eye. Let's try it with my difficult eye that I can never do anything with. Charles, you can do it, you can do it. Oh, it would be easy just to use your fingers. Oh, oh. Oh shit, it's already stuck. Oh, look, see. Oh. Why? I can't do this side. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on. It was so easy on the other side. Come on, you can do this. You go down into there are pros and cons to this technique, which I have realized. The pro, it was actually super easy, and because it wasn't as messy, because the glue obviously is already in its spot, and if you're like me where you're a bit like, oh, it stays, and also because there isn't all that slipping and sliding. Literally once it was on, it was already, you didn't have to wait the 30 seconds, it was on. And obviously it already had the guide of where you want your lash to be, so it's not going to stick somewhere where it's not meant to. So those are the pros. The con though, because it's already so sticky, and if you are like me that you need to faff around a bit because you're not, you can't do it basically. Like with this one, I realized I needed to move it slightly more over, but because it was already stuck and it was stuck on, I was like, ah, crap. Okay, there isn't enough time to really play around if you're kind of a newbie like me, because sometimes I do need to play around because I'm like, oh crap, actually no, I need to move it a bit more over here, or I need to do it like that. That would say is the con, but it was a lot easier. I'll probably look back at this and be like, oh my god, Jazz, what are you talking about? But they're not that bad. That was the easiest I have ever put on a lash. I would 100% recommend this hack. It was so much easier than any way I've ever done it before. And now the final hack. I know I've already messed up because I've bought the wrong colour. Fake freckles. Because I don't know about you, but ever since Instagram and Snapchat, like they use all like the little filters and they give me the little freckles, and now I'm like, I want freckles. So I saw this hack where they use the L'Oreal Magic Retouch, which is the temporary root spray thing. Now the first mistake I did was not read the comments, because she said that you have to use the light brown shade. She said make sure you get the light brown shade, and of course I got the dark brown shade because I was matching with my hair colour, when then I realised that I don't think freckles actually match your hair, do they? They also say that make sure that you use a light touch, otherwise I'm assuming I'm just going to get a big brown splodge on my face. Problem being is I'm very heavy-handed and heavy-footed actually. I feel like this might go wrong, but hers just looks so natural and so cute, and I was like, it just looks so simple and so easy. Literally spray and you're done. Check it real good. Okay, be light-headed, Jazz. Light-headed? Light touch. Okay. How far away did I do? I'm so nervous. Did it work? Have I got freckles? I mean, they do look more like the natural looking freckle because it's all over the place, unlike the ones where they just put it here. But okay, can you, let me see, can you see it? There we go. So this is the freckles. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, at least I haven't got a big brown splodge. That is the pro. See, I don't know if it just looks like I've got mud on my face. You know when you're a kid and you used to like spray paint and you get like the flicks of it? I don't know, that's what it looks like on my face. From a distance though, to be fair, it looks quite cute. It's hard because when I look at it from far away, it doesn't look so bad. It doesn't look like I have freckles. And I don't know if it's like from someone from an outside point. No. Like obviously someone who knows me, they know I don't have freckles, so they'll be like, Jazz, why have you got a bunch of like stuff on your face? Obviously for someone who doesn't know me and they see me from a distance, they'll just think, oh, that girl has freckles. However, would I go out in public like this? Probably not. If I was doing like a costume, like a Halloween fancy dress, something like that, then this technique I think is actually really good. Quick, it was easy, and it's more of the natural side I think than some of the other people that have like, you know, when you do the dots sort of thing, because like at the end of the day, freckles aren't just here, are they? They're everywhere. So again, I guess it is a win because to me I do feel like it does look like freckles, and it's definitely more than natural. It was super easy. You just gotta make sure you are very light-handed. It's just I probably won't go out in public like it, but it did work. So yeah, it was a win. That is all the testing of TikTok beauty hack. I mean, obviously the fake tan one just did not work at all. The eyelash one, oh my god, revolutionary. That was a big word for me. Freckles, again, it did work. I just don't think I'd go out in public. I'd use it more as like a Halloween costume sort of thing. And the eyeliner, it has potential. There's probably other techniques out there that would do a better job. That one just wasn't working for me. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if there's any other TikTok hacks that you know of or you've seen, or if you want me to try out, like maybe some food ones, some DIY ones. There's so many, isn't there, on there? I'm so addicted to it. I keep saving so many stuff because I'm like, oh my god. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye!